Hello friends, welcome to Chemistry Nuggets, where you can polish your knowledge and clear your doubts. So friends, today's video is about the oxidation number of chlorine in bleaching powder. So don't miss the video till end because it's very important portion and so many questions are asked from this compound. So let's have a look. What is the formula of bleaching powder? Is a commonly used chemical and its formula is CaOCl2. So we will not go through the normal procedure to get the oxidation number because we will definitely get the wrong answer. Remember this point, for bleaching powder we should always draw the structure first, then count the oxidation number. So first we draw the structure. Here we have calcium, then chlorine, and one oxygen and one more chlorine. So this is the actual structure of bleaching powder, CaOCl2. Now, how to calculate the oxidation number? For this we have a concept like if we have if we have two atoms A and B attached with a bond and B is suppose more electronegative than A. B is more electronegative. What will happen? B will attract the shared pair of electron towards itself and have the negative charge. So B will become negative and A will in turn become positively charged, and this charge is called oxidation number. For B we can say oxidation number is -1 and for A we can say oxidation number is +1. This theory we will apply here to count the oxidation number. Now second point is we need to know which is more electronegative. So if we are going through calcium and chlorine bond, we should understand this, that calcium is always having +2 charge. Calcium is always having +2 charge, +2 oxidation state, because calcium is alkaline earth metal and its charge is fixed. We will prove this with this structure also. So in between calcium and chlorine, we will consider chlorine will be more electronegative than calcium. So what will happen? Chlorine will take the electron towards itself and become -1. In turn calcium will become positively charged +1. Now come up to the second point, calcium and oxygen. In this bond, oxygen is determined as more electronegative than calcium because calcium is always, we will know, +2. So oxygen is more electronegative. So again what will happen? Oxygen will acquire -1 charge, it will take the electrons, and calcium will have again +1 charge. So collectively we can say now calcium is having +2 charge, and this will be proved. Calcium is having +2 charge. Now come up to the oxygen and chlorine bond. Oxygen is more electronegative than chlorine. Remember these points. When there is calcium and chlorine, chlorine is more electronegative than calcium. When there is oxygen and calcium, oxygen is more electronegative than calcium. And when we are talking about oxygen and chlorine, chlorine will be electropositive and oxygen will be electronegative. So in this case oxygen will take the electron being more electronegative, -1 charge, and in turn chlorine will have +1 charge. So collectively we can say on oxygen again we have -1 and -1, so it has -2 charge, as calcium is having +2 charge. So now what will happen? We can now easily figure out that in bleaching powder there are 2 chlorine atoms. One chlorine atom is having +1 charge, +1 oxidation state, and the second chlorine is having -1 oxidation state. And this will be our answer. This is a very important question and it is asked several times. So keep the structure in mind and do the calculations accordingly. Till then, keep studying. Thank you.